What are we doing today?
You can go on.
Oh, right. Got the Toemi. Putting on this piece of shit.
That's hot, dude.
I know.
God, I want to fuck up. Why you arch yourself like that?
What? I'm just getting up.
I'm getting bread like barley. The white boys think 3K is gnarly. Some niggas talking about goodness gracious. They say 3K is so outrageous. In the gym working on shoulders. Private militia nigga, we the soldiers. Solid nigga like some bulges. Keep my composure, I'm on a folder. Nigga, I do not drink Henny, I've been too turned.
Alright, so what was hard to get out were the bolts there. I think they were like 14 millimeter?
14.
14s. Right now we're getting them out. Same thing goes with the front ones where the exhausts are. They were 14 as well. We kind of broke one trying to get it out. We broke this bolt right here, so we're just gonna unhook the whole exhaust system and then just pull it out as a whole. Oh my god.
There.
Fuck. That was so gay. And then when I get rid of my packs, I can sell those for like, I'm gonna act like I stole them when I'm selling them.
They're gonna call the police. You're like, bro, I just changed my exhaust. Wait.
Bro, I just got rid of my cats, that's it. Hey, that's illegal. Shit's done like that. Alright, I don't know if they've caught it, but we got the exhaust off. Now to put this Toemi together, and then from there we'll probably just put it all on at once. Disgusting.
It's gonna sound
So this is without the muffler. I don't have my key with me.
Oh my god.
That was so. Okay, you ready? Ready?
Hold on.
Tell me when.
Let's text him up. Go.
That was loud. We're gonna go fit it, and then we will tighten everything down.
Good thing I didn't hit record.
No, bro, I wish I was a Minecraft YouTuber and you were a miner.
What?
Huh?
The camera picked it up.
Give me the other one's hand tight as well. Let me just make sure this shit doesn't work. Okay, we're good here. Pull me out a little.
Huh?
Pull me out! Okay, wait. I don't want this shit like touching anything.
Touchy.
Hand me the next part. I was gonna say, you don't need to like open it up. You can just pull it out.
Fuck you.
You fuck.
You want me to help you here or not? I'll walk out right now.
I just thought it was funny as shit. Oh my god, Santi Wanti, you don't need to get angry wangy with me. Put the camera over here.
No.
Please.
Okay.
Daddy, please.
Not right here, Dad. It's the last time I'm helping Kyle. Support me. He doesn't feed me enough.
Give me it.
Give you what?
The thing I threw.
Here. Chris, stay the fuck.
Wait a second. I can just hang it to any part of the body. Alright guys, we got it. Go ahead.
After fucking hours.
It's been like 30 minutes.
It felt like hours.
It felt, yeah, it did. And then give me the wrench. Go ahead and tighten it. And then it's not touching, right?
Nope.
Alright, perfect. Go.
Clears like a baby.
It's a little bit closer on this side, but doesn't matter.
Is it touching?
Nope. Go ahead. Tight, tight, tight. Oh, something. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I never said that.
So close.
Fucking drop everything on the ground.
Oh my god. Why'd you stop? Oh my god.
I'm gonna take that. Let me gay. I'm on camera.
Everything myself. There we go. Ready? Oh my god. No key. No key again.
Again, bro? This is the second time. Fucking
We're fucking gone, bro. Alright, ready?
Yes.
We have a leak.
No, you don't say.
Oh, we forgot to torque it down.
Oh, shit, no wonder.